Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious Cóctel de Camarón. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of raw shrimp, 3 cups of Clamato, 1 cup of ketchup, your favorite hot sauce, 4 limes, 1 onion of your choice, 2 cucumbers, 4 roma tomatoes, a small bunch of cilantro, your choice of pepper, 3 garlic cloves, and 3 celery sticks. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to clean out our shrimp. So just make sure that you remove the peel and also give them a good rinse. Alright, so next we're going to make our shrimp broth. So we're going to grab a small pot and set it on medium-high heat. We're going to add 10 cups of water. And to our water, we're going to add half of our onion, 1 bay leaf, 1 roma tomato, our 3 garlic cloves, our celery sticks, and salt. So now we're just going to bring it to a boil and let it boil for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, we're going to add our shrimp shells. And now we're going to leave them in there for another 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to remove all of this. Alright, now we're going to cook our shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes. And while we're waiting, make sure that you grab a big bowl with ice cold water. Alright, so after 2 minutes, we're going to remove our shrimp and transfer into ice cold water. And now we're just going to allow our broth to cool down. Alright, so while we wait for our broth to cool down, we're going to chop all of our veggies. Alright guys, so once we have our vegetables all nice and cut, now we are ready to make our cocktail juice. Alright guys, so in a large bowl, we're going to add 3 cups of our broth. Along with our 3 cups of Clamato juice. And just make sure that it's nice and cold. Okay, we're going to add our ketchup. Just mix it all in there. We're going to squeeze out our 4 limes. Stuck in there. Okay, we're going to add our hot sauce. So that's going to be depending on your liking. Okay, along with some Tabasco. Here we're going to add some black pepper. So now just whisk everything until everything is nice and combined. Alright, so now taste it and adjust it to your liking. And now we're going to add our veggies. Okay, and now add your shrimp. And we have our delicious Cóctel de Camarón. And now we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. And then we can serve our delicious cocktail. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So we're going to grab our delicious cocktail. Grab your cup or bowl. Pour it in. Pour it in. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to top it with some avocado. Or you can add your avocado slices into your cocktail, but for me it's just better to add it after. And then I'm going to add some more shrimps. Some more hot sauce, because I like spicy. And we're going to serve it with some saltine crackers. And a lemon wedge. And now we are ready to enjoy our delicious Cóctel de Camarón. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready, especially in this Arizona heat. It is so hot. And you know, at Cóctel de Camarón, it always hits the spot. So let me just grab my little shrimp here and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. It's a little spicy, but of course, you get to control that. But let me tell you that seriously, it's super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a delicious Cóctel de Camarón. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.